This is a special video. This is today I'm gonna represent it my dad.
Hi guys, it's me, I'm Dad.
Today we're gonna teach you some of your Slovenian language. Isn't that right, Dad?
That's right, we're gonna teach you some Slovenian language.
Yes. So first up, to say hello in Slovenian, you can talk.
Hello, we say in Slovenian, Živjo.
Živjo, yes.
Yes.
If you said something to friends, how old are you? This is koliko si star?
Koliko si star?
Yes.
And if you want to ask somebody, how are you, says, how?
Kako si?
Kako si.
Yes.
Kako si. That's the most useful phrase in Slovenian language. So you can survive with these three sentences for first few hours. Then, when you get hungry, you need to learn some more things. That means how to say, I'm hungry.
Jesem lačen.
Jesem lačen. I want to eat.
Jaz hočem jest.
Jaz hočem jest. Okay, and then, but mostly you become thirsty also, and we say, I'm thirsty.
Jaz sem žejen.
Jaz sem žejen. I want to drink.
Jaz hočem pit.
Jaz hočem pit. Okay, we order some drinks in the coffee shop, let's say. Can I order a cup of coffee?
A lahko naročim eno kavo, prosim?
A lahko naročim eno kavo, prosim. That's right. Okay, we want to drink some water. Let's say it. Can I get some water, please?
A lahko dobim vodo, prosim?
A lahko dobim vodo, prosim? Water is, how to say we say in Slovenian, water?
Voda.
Voda.
Yes.
Voda. That's right. Okay, I think that's enough for today, for the first lecture, and we continue next time.
Bye!
Bye, have a nice time.